Attorneys for a Huntsville law firm working for the state of Alabama admitted in federal court Monday that one of their firm partners used ChatGPT to find case citations to strengthen arguments.
The case involves a prison inmate suing over claims he was stabbed multiple times while in an Alabama prison. The citations used in two separate court filings by the lawyers opposing the inmate's argument were fake. The fake citations were caught and pointed out by the inmate's attorneys. News 19 Chief Investigative Reporter Brian Lawson joins us now. Brian, the lawyer for the firm Butler Snow has apologized and says they didn't mean to mislead the court. But that's not the end of it.
That's right, Lauren. There's a hearing set for tomorrow in Birmingham where the judge is expected to consider how to penalize the lawyers who submitted the false citations. Basically, those are references to prior cases that bolster a side's argument, but these cases were made up by the AI tool. This was first reported by AL.com, and the case continues to unfold. The Butler Snow firm does a tremendous amount of business with the state of Alabama on ongoing prison lawsuits, including lawsuits brought by the Department of Justice. The lead attorney in those cases for Huntsville's firm is William Lunsford. He's listed as having been paid $42 million by the state since fiscal 2020. Now, in court filings, Lunsford said he didn't provide the false citations. That was firm partner Matthew Reeves, who worked with Lunsford on the prison lawsuits. Lunsford said in court filings a mistake was unacceptable and is being reviewed. On Monday, Reeves, Lunsford, and two other lawyers whose names are on the documents with the false citations submitted descriptions of their roles to the court. Reeves said in reviewing planned court filings by another lawyer in the case, he saw that some of the arguments needed case citations, so he went to ChatGPT, the AI program. He said he knew ChatGPT generally. Reeves addressed the false citations in a court filing, saying in part, "In my haste to finalize the motions and get them filed, I failed to verify the case citations returned by ChatGPT through independent review in Westlaw or Pacer before including them in the motion for leave and motion to compel. I have now confirmed that the citations in the string cite of the motion for leave are inaccurate or do not exist." Now, opposing lawyers in the case responded to the use of ChatGPT and the false citations. They cited four examples, saying defendants' complete fabrication of case law is suggestive of an abuse of the utilization of generative artificial intelligence and should be taken very seriously by this court. As one district court articulated, they argued, the use of artificial intelligence must be accompanied by the application of actual intelligence in its execution. Now, the issue that led to this back and forth and pending hearing relates to an argument over timing when the plaintiff, inmate Frankie Johnson, could be questioned under oath in prison. A lot more to come.